coming to GVK, I'm here to convey or share a few words. Friend and here, presider, Vijay Kumar Sir. Vijay Kumar was a little guy actually. Even that time he was so young, and but complete energetic. And that time we got to know that he's going to do something. But I don't know. I couldn't even imagine that he could create such miracles. Means GVK family, how vast it is. Means almost it's crossed 1,000 students. Transported even right, they did their MBBS in the different various universities, right? Especially it's travel with Cascade University, the support of the deans and higher officials. From there is an immense support every time, even in the post-COVID time. I could even easily remember that. At that time, even students and parents were they are afraid to send there, and they have been completely hesitating. And from the universities, he directly called to the deans and officials. He talked. We have immense. We have a number of students to come there, but we need a support at any time because circumstances in the world is completely horrible, and no parent can date us to send it abroad, especially those regions. At that time, when he talked with our visions and the support he got it, right, that was in a tremendous support he got it. And coming to, and this year, last year also, I have sent a number of students, right, in the last year I think 5, right, this year 6 we are sending this year. So, they have come there, they have come from here, and they said the classes and the facilities, especially world-class facilities available there, and the support if any inconvenience happen by making a single call. There can be 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock also. Vijay Kumar Sir is ready to pick up the call and solving within half an hour. Once one of my colleague, kid, who is that? Right, Aditya, I think his name, and he said that around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So that was completely cool, and he couldn't bear the climate there. When he called to the Vijay Sir, within half an hour, the heater, room heaters, and different, various kinds of blankets. Within half an hour, he could arrange this. So such committed, and he has such a wonderful interaction with the higher officials of the Caspian University. And also, I can easily say that already, some of my, my students actually, some of my colleague kids, they did their MBBS, and few of them are preparing their MSc, and they are going to crack it, I am sure, right? And 2 of them already joined in the various MNC hospitals here in Hyderabad only. Because pursuing MBBS, with the help of Vidyasagar, everyone can have placements. 99.9% placement you can have it. No other industry in the education you can have these placements, right? So complete family, right? Elder brother and Vidyasagar and the younger brother, complete family belongs to them, right? Educated family, and completely they belong to a medicine. They belong to a medical industry. They have hospitals and industry. They have these consultants throughout the India. So I'm sure you will be right. You will have a wonderful placements. You will have a clear support from the Vidyasagar at any time. The parents can trust him without any hesitation. So this is what my experience with him. This is what my travel with him, right? So there are many things to share, but I'll interact with each other. If anyone have any kind of doubts, right? Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you one and all.